missing someone without you.
Guys, so welcome back to my channel. Sana naririnig niyo ako, but I'm here at Market directly from work, and our agenda for today is pupunta tayo ng Binondo. This is gonna be a Binondo food trip in a budget. So samahan niyo ako to try the different foods in Binondo. Or ang una nating challenge for today is that sasakay tayo ng jeep na dapat ay 13 pesos lang. Kasi nga in a budget to, so kasama na yung transportation to. Hopefully, hindi siya mag-exceed ng 1,000 pesos. Okay guys, so nandito na ako sa Pasig River Ferry sa Guadalupe Station. Kaya libre kasi ang sakay dito. Tapos diretso na siyang eskolta. So in short, diretso na tayo ng Binondo agad. So actually pagdating mo dito, papakita ka lang ng valid ID, tapos mag-register ka lang sa logbook nila. Tapos okay na. Pwede na tayong gumora. So hinihintay na lang namin na ang departure time. Oh, departure! Oh, eh.
Okay, so in my 24 years of existence dito sa planet Earth, first time kong sumakay ng ferry dito sa Guadalupe dahil ngayon ko lang din nalaman na libre siya. So wag na wag nyo akong tutularan.
So nandito na tayo sa Escolta, and nakikita ko na actually ang entrance sa Chinatown, which is kung saan tayo pupunta. It was only 1 hour ride papunta here. So ang dami naming nakitang mga sites like yung Malacanang. I saw PUP. At least na-experience ko yung ferry dito sa Metro Manila. Mag-isa lang ako because, you know, when wala kang maaya, why not just go by yourself? Kaya naman. And mag-i-enjoy pa rin naman tayo kahit na mag-isa tayo because mag-sightseeing tayo sa ating sariling lugar. So first time kong pumunta mag-isa, and so far enjoying it. I feel so independent. Diba? Okay, we're here! Oh my gosh! Una nating target na marami nang nakapila, oh my gosh, ang Binondo Bites and ang Imbitin. So tapat na tayo ng Lord's Toast. So nakahaba ng pila sa mga trending places here. Ito pala yung mga fried pusit. Okay, so medyo konti yung pila dito sa Lord's Toast. So uunahin ko na ang Lord's Toast. Grabe, sa palaran pala dito. Oh my God. Pero may mas magandang view dito, no? Park nung isa pang park ng Manila Chinatown. Food number 1 from Lord's Toast Egg Tart ay secured na. So let's try it. Pero feeling ko dapat fresh yung kinakain eh. Paano ba? Wala tayong stand, sister! Okay, so naghanap muna ako ng lugar na pwede mag-video. And may nakita akong motor na nakapark. Kuya, kung sino man yung may-ari ng motor na to, peram lang ako. Kailangan ko lang ng stand. Okay, alam ko parang naka-angulo kayo, but so that you can see my reaction. Okay, let's try Lord's Toast Egg Tart, very famous. Let's try it. By the way guys, this is my first meal of the day. Hindi siya ganun katamis, but very filled siya to the brim. What? I don't know how to explain it kasi first time ko kumain ng egg tart. And I'm glad na ito yung una ko natikman kasi ang sarap niya. Up to our next destination. Okay, so ito naman ang i-try natin. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya i-video. Gusto. Okay, so dapat bibili na ako ng drink kasi maanghang yung squid, pero bukas na yung may tahin na fruits. So bumili na ako agad. So on the way to sugarcane juice. lang super bilis ng pila dito. Kundi, oh my gosh, it's in the middle of the intersection. I got a drink already. It's sobrang overstimulating na lugar na to, pero fine, it's fine. I'm fine. I'm looking for a place to film. Sobrang daming tao doon. You won't expect na sobrang bilis ng pila. Since mabilis silang mag-serve, hindi sila yung parang gagawa pa on the spot. Okay guys, so dalawang ita-try natin sa clip na ito. Dahil ang anghang nung kinain ko. Oh my gosh! Di ba dapat picture ako muna? Taste of this. Kasi nasa hagdan ako. Oh my god. Okay, let's try. Okay naman. Lasang water sugar. Malamang, sugar cane nga eh. Very good. Next is, let's try this one. I've always wanted to try this. I've tried chamoy before. Pero as a chaser sa inuman, this one is good. Yung mga fruits na matamis, nagkakaroon ng parang salty flavor. Medyo may anghang. I don't know if yung anghang is galing dito or galing siya sa squid kanina. So, nandito pa rin ako sa street kung nasaan ang sugarcane drink. And I wanted to buy more food pero grabe, nabusog na ako. Hindi ko pa mabawasan to. I don't know. Okay, so nakalayas-layas din ako ng konti sa magulong Ongpin Street. So naglilibot-libot lang ako ngayon para matunawan. So nakakita ako ng 100 pesos for bouquet flower. I wanna buy. Ba't wala akong enough hands to carry everything? Kasi kanina nagtataka ako bakit may mga tao may hawak na bouquet. Ang dami nila. And so I now know kung saan siya nabili. And I'm gonna treat myself. I'm sorry. You can't do anything about it. Okay, so I bought myself some flowers. So early February Valentine's gift to myself. Okay, so pumipila na ako ngayon for the famous veggie skewers. I'm gonna try it. So I'm back here at Ongpin Street. I was able to buy the famous veggie skewers for a very affordable amount kasi tatlo na siya. Pero yung smell niya, gusto ko lang sabihin na buong araw ko na itong naaamoy. So medyo nagsasawa na ako. Smells like tahin, which is I feel like isa yun yung parang nakita ko si kuya na nag-sprinkle ng something dun sa skewers, and I think it's like tahin. The very famous It's very chewy, malambot. And then although malakas yung smell niya talaga, masarap. I like it. Okay, so nandito ako ngayon sa labas, ako sa church to pray for the blessings, to thank God for the blessings that I received today. For kailangan, after an adventure, we also need to especially thank the Creator for allowing this to happen. So, pros and cons here sa Binondo. Yung mga pagkain, magkakatabi. Talagang bagay na bagay. Mag-food trip dito and affordable sila lahat. One thing though, you should bring your friends here. Not like me. Kasi may foods here na pwedeng isa lang ang bilhin nyo for sharing na. And then, dahil puro walking dito, bumababa din yung mga kinain nyo. I really advise to not bring any vehicle kasi sobrang traffic. Dami kasing tao. Like even the road na pang cars and vehicles, nasasakop ng mga tao. So I really advise that you don't bring any vehicles here. And then mura lahat ng nandito. So ito yung arc na pinasukan natin kanina, and that is Jones Bridge. That's Jones Bridge, guys. Maganda yun sa gabi, but unfortunately uuwi na ako kasi yung edad ko, yung buto ko lahat pang matanda na. And also mukha kasing uulan. Actually kanina habang nandun ako sa sugarcane drink station, whatever, sa Ongpin, umaambon. Buti na lang never siyang natuloy na like super lakas. So I would like to ride the ferry na bago umulan ng sobra. Baka hindi pa sila magpasakay if umuulan. Okay guys, so naghanap muna ako ng parang lugar para ikwenta ko lahat ng ginastos ko for today's video. So, ang napili kong lugar ay mas tapat ng dating nasunog na Manila Post Office. So, wala naman kasi masyadong tao dito kasi ang tabi niya lang is Jones Bridge. Although may mga damadaan na sasakyan. So, just don't mind that. So, in terms of transportation, kayo bahala dyan. But, technically, from my experience, from market, kasi doon ako nanggaling, nagbayad lang ako ng 13 pesos all the way to Guadalupe. Free na ang ferry. And mamaya, free din ang ferry pa uwi. So, Guadalupe din yun. And then, so any station naman, ferry station, free siya. Kasi, free siya talaga. Wala akong masabi. In short, for today's video, ang ginastos ko lang for transportation is 13 pesos. Now, for the foods. First kong kinain is number 1, Lord Stoves. Actually, dalawa yung binili ko. So, I bought 2 for 130. Kinain ko yung isa, nandito pa sa boutique isa. So, 65 each kasi siya. And then, the second one na tinry ko is yung inihaw na puset. So, ang binili ko is isang 20 pesos tsaka isang 15 pesos overall for that one. I tried at 35 pesos lang. Next kong tinry is yung fruits with tahin and chamoy. 100 pesos lang siya. Isang malaki na yon, as you can see sa video, sobrang laki niya. Actually, pwede siyang pang sharing. So, ang next kong kinain or binili is the sugar cane drink. Yung trending ngayon, it's 100 pesos. Pero I saw some shops na nagbebenta rin ng sugar cane drink for 80 pesos. So, actually, in all honesty, masarap siya pero hindi ko siya babalikan because it just tastes like naglagay ka ng sugar sa water and nilagay mo ng yelo. Ganon. So, after that one, I bought flowers. Hindi siya kasama sa kinain ko pero like, just for myself kasi nakita ko 100 pesos siya and malapit na yung Valentine's. Who else will buy me some flowers? So, nito ko siya. And then, okay, di ba 100 pesos? Ginandahan ni Kuya for me. And then, lastly na nabili ko is the veggie bites, which is 150 pesos for 3 assorted skewers. So, overall, hindi ko lang natikman sa aking agenda for today is yung Binondo Bites. Ang haba ng pila, like sobrang kaikot niya sa kabilang building pa na may parking. So, I thought pwede ko siyang balikan, pero hindi talaga. Umabot ng total of 628 pesos ang ginastos ko for today's video along with transportation na yun, and makaka-uwi ako without even putting out extra money because of the free ferry. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and make a part 2 with this one. So I guess I'm going to end this video here. I'm gonna end this video here, guys. Thank you so much for watching and hope you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up and follow me on all my social media accounts. Subscribe to my channel, guys, and also comment down below if you have more videos for me to do. If there's any other videos that you would like to see na para bang kaya kong gawin yon, ako lang naman ang masusunod dito. And if nagustuhan nyo, na-realize nyo na okay, affordable naman pala siya, you can go ahead and try this one. Even by yourself, it's fun. Just make sure to be always cautious, always be alert, and have fun. And keep space in your stomach kasi marami talaga yung pagkain. Ayun. Thank you so much for watching and pupunta na ako sa ferry. Bye, guys. Bye.
Wherever